Understanding buy, sell, and trade. The concept of buy, sell, and trade is fundamental in various markets, including finance, real estate, gaming, and collectibles. Here's a structured guide to explain each aspect and how to engage effectively. What does buy, sell, trade mean? Buy, sell, and trade refers to the process of acquiring, disposing of, or exchanging goods, assets, or services in a marketplace. It applies to stocks, cryptocurrencies, real estate, gaming items, and physical collectibles. Buying process explained. Buying involves acquiring an asset or item in exchange for money. In financial markets, buying could mean purchasing stocks, bonds, or cryptocurrencies. In other markets, it refers to obtaining physical items like electronics, collectibles, or property. Selling process explained. Selling is the act of offering an asset, item, or service in exchange for money. Sellers aim to profit from price appreciation, dispose of unwanted items, or liquidate assets for cash flow. Trading process explained. Trading involves the exchange of one asset for another, often without using cash. In financial markets, trading includes buying and selling stocks, forex, or crypto within short periods. In gaming or collectibles, trading involves swapping items between individuals. Platforms for buy, sell, trade. Various platforms support buying, selling, and trading activities including stock exchanges, cryptocurrency exchanges, online marketplaces, gaming platforms, and local trade groups or shops. Benefits of buy, sell, trade. Buying, access to needed goods or investments. Selling, liquidation of assets, generating income, or reducing inventory. Trading, flexibility to acquire desired items without spending money or profit from market price differences. Risks involved. Buying, overpaying for assets or items. Selling, loss if sold below cost or market value. Trading, market volatility or unfavorable exchange terms can lead to losses. Tips for success in buy, sell, trade. Research market prices and trends. Use reputable platforms and verify buyer-seller credentials. Keep detailed records of all transactions. Set clear terms when trading items or assets. Legal and ethical considerations. Ensure all transactions comply with local laws, platform policies, and ethical standards. In financial markets, adhere to regulations. In physical trades, ensure items are legal and authentic. The buy, sell, and trade framework is essential across various industries, offering opportunities for profit, acquisition, and exchange. With careful research, secure platforms, and clear strategies, you can engage successfully in any market.